Water is our most abundant, but also our most precious resource. It covers 2/3 of the Earth's surface. But what most of us don't realize is that only 1% of all water is available for human use. Yet we are wasting and polluting our usable water supply at an alarming rate. Government agencies at all levels, pressed to take action by many public and private environmental groups, are beginning to put pressure on polluters everywhere. Even businesses that use a pressure washer or steam cleaner are coming under increased environmental pressure. The laws are unyielding, often making owners and operators of cleaning equipment vulnerable to stiff fines simply for allowing wash water to fall onto the ground or run off into a storm drain, ditch, or pond. In fact, a recent study by the United States Environmental Protection Agency concluded that 54% of all industrial facilities are in violation of environmental discharge regulations. Already, the EPA has issued more than $55 million in fines for wastewater violations. Why is everyone so concerned? Simply stated, 1 gallon of oil washed onto the ground can gradually seep downward, contaminating up to 1 million gallons of groundwater within 5 years. That means wash water from a pressure washer is now considered, by nearly every standard, to be a generator of hazardous waste, and more than ever before, is being closely monitored and regulated by government agencies. It was for this reason that Landa, America's leader in water cleaning systems, launched a major research project in the 1980s to develop the most effective and cost-efficient water recycling system for pressure washer users. Initially, Landa considered a flocculation system, or flocking as it is better known, but decided the high cost of chemicals would make this system far too expensive for the customer. Flocking may be justified when there's an extreme emulsification problem. Landa also looked at ultrafiltration, but found the process far too expensive and temperamental for industrial pressure washing applications. Finally, Landa engineers settled on a specially designed filtration system as the best alternative. A filtration system with just the right blend of water cleaning ability at an affordable price and a minimum of maintenance. The Landa system is called the Water Maze. In just a few short years, it has become the fastest growing filtration system in the industry, recognized for its cleaning effectiveness, service support, and low maintenance. When a business discovers its wash water is creating an environmental problem, there are two options besides incurring the high cost of having it hauled. You can either clean it enough to be discharged to the city's sewer, or clean it enough to be recycled back to the pressure washer. Landa's Water Maze is designed to meet both needs. For instance, the Alpha 3000 is an above-ground oil-water separator that can remove oil and grease to well below the 100 parts per million limit set by most sewer treatment plants. The Clarifier 600, another above-ground separator designed for unique applications, can remove a wide range of contaminants to acceptable discharge levels. For even cleaner water, or when the sewer discharge permit is too costly, Landa has its line of recycling or closed-loop models. These zero-discharge systems can handle many different levels of water volume, from 1 to 30 gallons per minute. The Delta recycling systems are especially popular because they are self-contained. That is, all of the piping is already installed, plus they're portable. They actually fit on a trailer and can be transported from site to site. The smallest Delta system can practically fit inside a closet, measuring just 5 by 6 feet. Like all Water Maze systems, the Delta models come standard with these innovations. A corrosion-proof stainless steel oil-water separator featuring Landa's patented design of oil coalescing plates. There's also an automatic oil skimmer wheel for easy disposal of waste oil. A media filter for removal of solids. This filter is backwashable, so it can last a lifetime. The polyester cartridge filters contaminants from 20 to 5 or even 1 micron in size. Best of all, this filter is encased in a patented Duralon housing and can be easily removed, cleaned, and reused. The carbon filter eliminates a wide range of contaminants, from hydrocarbons and metals to pesticides and PCBs. This filter can also be backwashed for longer life and more effective filtering. The Delta models are easy to install, easy to operate, and easy to maintain. And the Delta comes with a full array of Landa support materials, including videos, manuals, and a service support hotline. The Delta is also extremely flexible. It can be easily modified to adapt to the particular needs of a company or industry. For instance, the Delta 1000 GC is a full recycling system modified to meet the special needs of golf course maintenance shops. For those with even bigger cleaning jobs, such as washing of heavy equipment where there's a lot of dirt, Landa has the larger WaterMaze 1500 and 3000 models. The WaterMaze 1500 can handle a flow rate up to 15 gallons per minute. And the WaterMaze 3000 can handle variable flows up to 30 gallons a minute. More importantly, they are modular in design, allowing you to arrange the filtering units in different configurations to meet your specific needs. All WaterMaze models use Landa's carefully crafted ozone generators, now considered by nearly every expert to be the most effective and least expensive way to prevent odor buildup in a water treatment system. Ozone, a concentrated form of oxygen, destroys microorganisms on contact and then dissipates quickly, leaving no harmful residue in the water. The WaterMaze is effective because it utilizes so many environmental technologies. Among them are aeration and ozonation generated by Landa's ozonator, adsorption and hydrocarbon absorption in the Carbosorb filter, and inclined plate coalescing and oleophilic separation in the above-ground separators. The WaterMaze gets its name from the patented design of our inclined coalescing plates found in the first phase of every system. The first set of plates, standing vertically, features coalescing material to separate dirt from the water. This is the equivalent of a settling pond measuring 15 feet in diameter. As the dirty water passes upwards through the grids, dirt particles are drawn to the plates. They clump together and sink to the bottom for easy removal. The water then passes through a carefully engineered maze of inclined oleophilic or oil-loving plates, set at just the right angle for maximum oil-water separation. Oil droplets are attracted to and adhere to the coalescing plates. They group together until they become buoyant enough to rise to the surface. The floating oil travels to a rotating surface skimmer, which removes the oil and deposits it in a container for easy disposal. The final filter in the unit is the sheen filter. It removes trace particles of oil, or in effect, polishes the water. There are many extra touches that set the WaterMaze apart. For instance, the entire system is made up of non-corrosive materials for longer life. Timers allow the system to operate automatically, day or night. Well-marked control panels make it easier for employees to operate the system. Clear tubing lets you monitor the WaterMaze's filtering effectiveness. And filters that are quick and easy to remove for time and money savings. Landa also offers a number of accessories that further automate the WaterMaze and enhance the protection of your investment. For instance, the pH ORP controller automatically monitors and controls the levels of pH and odor-fighting agents. You no longer have to measure by hand the acid or alkaline levels of your water, nor do you have to worry about adding sanitizers for odor control. It's all done automatically. Landa's pit cleaner and sludge cart turn messy sludge removal into an easy task. Simply attach your pressure washer to the pit cleaner and watch it pull the sludge out of your pit and deposit it into either a throwaway or reusable bag. Landa's fiberglass collection pit has been specially pre-formed with just the right number of baffles to separate solids from the water before it enters the WaterMaze system. Landa also offers a fiberglass sump pit that is easy to install and maintain. The collection pit can also double as an in-ground oil-water separator for handling rainwater runoff in parking lots at a flow rate of up to 100 gallons per minute. By adding Landa's patented coalescing grids, you can significantly increase the filtering efficiency. Landa's pre-wash system offers the ideal solution for cleaning operations with extra heavy dirt loads. This system knocks off excess dirt and mud using a high volume of water at low pressure and then recycles the wash water for reuse. Equipment is then moved to a second pad for removal of grease and oils without the heavy dirt load that can clog a filtration system. A key to every recycling system is the use of low emulsifying soaps. Landa offers a full line of environmentally safe detergents, including the Water Maze Heavy-Duty Degreaser, Sparkle Clean, and Aluminum Bright. Landa, with headquarters in Portland, Oregon, has been the leader in water cleaning systems since 1969. Today, the company has the world's largest line of pressure washers, supported by more than 200 service centers throughout North America and several foreign countries. Landa equipment is backed by a full factory warranty and the industry's best customer service support team, environmental engineers, and technicians. Today, there are more than 1,000 Water Maze installations, with new systems going in at a rate of 2 per day.
We chose the Delta equipment because of price considerations, because of guarantees. We took a tour of their factory and were very happy and very satisfied with the quality of their product and the fact that they would stand behind it, and the guarantees that they gave us were outstanding. We can mix and load out there, we can clean tanks, we don't have to worry about discharging any influent into the environment, into storm or sanitary sewers. It handles our equipment wash down problems perfectly. We're very happy and satisfied with the product.
Customers in every state and around the world are finding the solution to their wash water pollution with the Water Maze. Certainly there's a financial benefit in conserving water and avoiding environmental pressures. But the real benefit comes from knowing that your investment in an environmental solution today is helping to preserve that precious 1% of water available for human use, for our world today and our children's world tomorrow.